Guys, it's Crypto Llama and it is January 22nd, 2018. Today, I'm going to be talking about stellar lumens because I genuinely feel like they are not talked about enough. Throughout the video, I'm going to go through the pros and cons so that you guys are fully informed. Like Ripple, the Stellar network is looking to help solve the problems of cross-border payments. The Stellar network is the technology that processes the transactions. Lumens, the things that you're buying from exchanges, are used to cover the fees of transactions. So say that you want to send your friend in China $10. You'll send him $10 worth of lumens, he'll receive it, and then through one of Stellar Lumens partners, he'll be able to cash that out into his currency. Now that you know the surface level fundamentals, I'm going to tell you where I think the prices of lumens will go from here. Over the course of a month, the price has gone from 23 cents to 47 cents. That's almost a 100% increase from December 22nd. If you look at the chart on TradingView, you'll see that on January 16th, there was a huge red candle with an extended wick that basically touched the 50-day moving average, but then closed high above it. I think that the 50-day moving average will continue to act as support for lumens. If you see lumens break past it, it may look for support on the 100-day, but if it doesn't find support on the 100-day, then you may want to start thinking about the future of lumens as a whole. Also, this green line indicates an area of resistance that lumens previously broke through. This is now acting as support and almost perfectly aligned with the 50-day average where the red candle touched. You know how people say previous resistance is new support? Well, this is exactly what they mean. There isn't much news for Stellar, but you may want to watch out for some partnerships in the near future. I think that you will start to see huge companies partnering with cryptocurrencies in early to mid 2018. You've already seen some huge companies such as MoneyGram partnering with Ripple, and this may spark some other huge companies to partner with cryptocurrencies such as Stellar Lumens. Before I end this video, I'm going to talk about the cons of Stellar Lumens. 1. Stellar has some fierce competition. With Ripple ahead of the game, Stellar will need some serious partnerships to compete on the same level. An advantage that Stellar does have over Ripple, though, is that Stellar Lumens only holds 5% of the circulating supply, while Ripple holds more than 50% of their total supply. This gives much more power to the average investor than the company as a whole. Another con is that Stellar Lumens has a maximum circulating supply of 103 billion. While this isn't much of a con, you shouldn't expect Stellar Lumens to reach a price of $100. The market cap would need to be 1.7 trillion US dollars in order for that to happen. If you compare only the circulating supply that's held by investors and not the company, then Ripple's market cap would be around $20 billion instead of 47 billion where it's at right now. Stellar Lumens, on the other hand, would be just below where they're at right now at 7.7 billion compared to 8. I do think that this could play a role in the future prices of both of them. It could or could not increase or decrease the prices and how quickly they change in the future. That's all I've got to say about Stellar today. I hope that you can decide whether to invest or not. Just remember, I'm only here to inform you about the market. I don't intend to change your viewpoint or influence you to buy a certain coin.